Hi traders, we're back with Bank to Binaries ahead of the week report, covering the world's major investment events. Here's a quick recap of last week's main asset trends. The euro was down against a stronger USD. The USD was up after the Federal Reserve signalled it was ready to raise US interest rates before the end of the year. The GBP was down on continued pressure stemming from Brexit fears. Gold was down as investment moved to USD-linked assets. Oil was down as investors await a definitive decision from OPEC in November. European and Asian indices were down on weaker China export results. The trading event of the week is on Thursday when the European Central Bank releases its critical interest rate decision. Will the ECB move from its 0% and negative rates this month? An impact is expected on the euro depending on the central bank's latest stance. On Monday, October 17th, the latest Eurozone Consumer Price Index hits the headlines at 0,900. CPI measures the growth of prices in the economy, and in recent years growth has been sluggish in the EU. Previously at the level of 0.4% year on year, any signs that the inflation rate is picking up could be supportive for the euro. Tuesday, October 18th brings trading opportunities in the GBP with the latest Consumer Price Index release at 0.830. All and any data from the UK is being carefully studied for signs the economy is affected by the Brexit decision, and inflation is an important benchmark. Previously at the level of 1.3%, the GBP could be further pressured depending on the latest results. CNY traders get their opportunities on Wednesday, October 19th, when China releases third quarter GDP results at 0,200. Most concerns over world growth focus on China, so it's an event to watch and trade. Previously, GDP grew by 6.7%, a few points under expectations. Any upside or downside surprises may impact China's currency. Thursday, October 20th is our trading event of the week, when Europe's central bank releases its latest interest rate decision at 11:45. The ECB is maintaining monetary easing policies like 0% and negative interest rates, and is expected to stay dovish. However, it doesn't do to take anything for granted in the trading market, so this event is as important as ever. The USD is on focus on Friday, October 21st, when market releases the preliminary manufacturing PMI for October at 1345. The manufacturing sector is still lagging behind the rest of the economy in terms of growth, so this news could impact the USD. Now on to our trading tip based on your frequently asked questions. What might happen if the Federal Reserve raises rates before year end? If the Federal Reserve raises the key interest rate from its current 0.5%, the USD is expected to be stronger against its main rivals like the GBP and euro. Gold could also be impacted, as investment may flow from the precious metal to more attractive assets like US Treasuries and equities. There could also be other economic impacts like higher mortgage rates. Unless the economy is bullish enough to sustain higher rates, potentially there could be a slowdown in purchases of big-ticket items like houses and cars. If the Fed times it right, however, the higher rates could coincide with strong enough economic growth. Bank to Binaries on Facebook. Follow us for daily updates and expert articles about the international markets. Follow us on Twitter by searching for #TraderTip, and check our economic calendar for more events. Thanks for watching. See you next week.